Hi everybody, welcome to phonics lesson number 2. So this is our second phonics lesson of the week. I'm hoping to update the videos and provide you at least 2 of these videos per week so that you can just keep practicing your reading skills and your letter sounds and all of that fun stuff. So let's get moving. Alright, quickly we're going to go over the letter, our new letter, C. Remember, starting at the first circle here and paying attention to the symbol that's in the middle, because that will tell us if we have to hold it out or just keep going. Okay, so this arrow here just tells me I just keep going. So watch me do it first. This is the letter C. C says K. Let's do that together. Get ready. K. Again, get ready. K. One more time. Get ready. And by yourself, get ready. K. Oh, I did it with you. By yourself, get ready. Nice job. All right, moving through our sound reviews. This is the letter T. T says T. Let's do that together. Get ready. T. Again, get ready. T. One more time, get ready. T. By yourself, get ready. Good. New letter, new sound. This is the letter D. D says D. Let's do that together. Get ready. D. Again, get ready. D. One more time. Get ready. D. And by yourself. Get ready. Good. New letter, new sound. This is the letter F. F says F. Let's do that together. Get ready. Again, get ready. One more time, get ready. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job holding out the sound. Alright, going over our new letter again. This is the letter C. C says K. Let's do that together. Get ready. K. Again, get ready. K. One more time, get ready. K. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Here, moving on to our first vowel sound. This is the letter A. A says ah. Let's do that together. Get ready. Ah. Again, get ready. Ah. One more time. Get ready. Ah. And by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. Here we come to T and H. This is our tricky sound. When we have T and H coming together, they make a new sound. They say th. Remember, that's the only time you can spit your tongue out at Miss C is when we're making this th sound. All right, let's do it together. Get ready. Again, get ready. One more time, get ready. And by yourself, get ready. Alright, 2 more slides of sound reviews. Good job, guys. So far, so good. Alright, we have the letter T here. T says T. Let's do that together. Get ready. T. Again, get ready. T. One more time. Get ready. T. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Next sound, we have the letter S. S says S. Just like a slithery snake. Let's try that together. Get ready. S. Again, get ready. S. One more time. Get ready. S. And by yourself, get ready. Alrighty. Next vowel sound, we have the letter E here, and we have a line over the E, and that line is going to tell the E to say its name. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to say E. Let's do that together. Get ready. E. Again, get ready. E. One more time, get ready. E. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. Okay, last 2 sounds here. I have the letter R. R says Let's do that together. Get ready. Again, get ready. One more time, get ready. And by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. And we have another vowel here, I. We have A, E, and I so far that we've learned. I says I. Let's do that together. Get ready. I. Again, get ready. I. One more time. Get ready. I. And by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. We're moving on here. We're moving on to blending. A lot of you already know your sounds. It's okay if you don't. I encourage you to keep practicing, but you can continue on with this video. It'll help you practice those letter sounds even more. But for some of us, we're putting sounds together to blend into words. So just like we did with our letters, we're going to start at this first dot and move across. So I'm going to do it with you. Moving across. I'm also going to show you by using your fingers, which we do in school, and then you're going to do it on your own. Alright, starting here, moving across. Am. Let's try that together. Get ready. Am. Again. Am. Now watch me up here. We're going to watch me do it with my fingers. Am. Let's do that together. Get ready. Am. Now you try. And with your fingers. Nice job. We made the word am with those two sounds. Now we're going to move on to this word. And I'm going to say it slow, then say it fast. Watch me. If. Let's try that together. Get ready. If. Again. If. Now look at me up here in the corner with our fingers. If. Again. If. Okay, now do it by yourself. Oops. Never mind. It went to the next slide. All right, we'll do it by yourself the next one. All right. We have a longer word here. It's a 4-letter word. If you notice, this letter K here is kind of small, and it also does not have a dot underneath. That doesn't mean the letter's not there. This is how we spell the word, except we aren't going to say this sound. Okay? So starting at this first dot, I'm going to move across, say it slow, say it fast. Watch me. Rack. Let's do it together. Get ready. Rack. Again, get ready. Rack. Now watch me up here in the corner. Rack. Let's do it together. Get ready. Rack. Again. Rack. Now do it by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. Alright, moving on to this word. Watch me do it first. Say it slow, say it fast. Sat. Let's do that together. Get ready. Sat. Again, get ready. Sat. Now watching me up here in the corner. Sat. Do it with me. Sat. Again. Sat. Okay, we have 2 more words here. Starting here, we're going to say it slow, say it fast. Watch me. Is. Let's try that together. Get ready. Is. Again, get ready. Is. Looking up here in the corner, watch me first. Is. Try that with me. Get ready. Is. One more time. Get ready. Is. And by yourself. Get ready. Nice job. Moving over to this word. Starting at the... We are going to sound it out. Say it slow, say it fast. Watch me first. Sad. Sad. Let's try that together. Get ready. Sad. sad. Again, get ready. S-a-d, sad. Now watching me. S-a-d, sad. Do it together, get ready. S-a-d, sad. Again, get ready. S-a-d, sad. And by yourself, get ready. Nice job. All right, moving on to rhyming. Okay, so if you notice, I have a line over my E. That means I say its name. I have a small letter, which means I don't say anything for it. And then I have my N here, which I know I say N for. Okay, so let's sound this out. Een. Een. Do that with me. Get ready. Een. Een. Again. Een. Een. One more time. Een. Een. So we're going to be rhyming initial sounds with een. So you're going to hear something and then een. Okay, so we're rhyming this first sound with een here. I know these three letters say een, and I need to rhyme it with this sound. So we're gonna rhyme with een to make mean. Okay, so probably best just to watch me for this, because that's when we put our hands together. So watch me rhyme with een. Een, mean. Let's do it together. Get ready. Een, mean. Again. Een, mean. One more time. Een, mean. By yourself. Get ready. Nice job. All right, we rhymed with een. Now we're going to rhyme with an. So we're rhyming with an. We're rhyming this sound with an. Alright, so I could sound it out with my fingers going slow, but I just want to rhyme t with an to make, you guessed it, tan. So go ahead, watch me first. T, an, tan. Let's do it together, get ready. T, an, tan. Again, get ready. T, an, tan. One more time, get ready. T, an, tan. By yourself, get ready. Nice job rhyming t with an to make tan. And I think that's all I have for you today. We did our sound review, we did our blending sounds together, and we also did rhyming. So that's all 3 jobs done. Good job. That's all I have for now. Bye.